What's up, everybody? My name is Chad. This is the Wisco Boater Channel, and we're back up at my friend Kevin and Bunny's house to pick up the dinghy. Brought the Chris-Craft up yesterday, so it's in its slip, and the dinghy is inside this barn that Kevin's opening up right now. There it is. So we're gonna get it loaded in my dad's truck and then take it back over to Skipper Bud's and put it in the water. All right, so here's how the dinghy is gonna ride up to Skipper Bud's quarterdeck. Just one strap. We're not gonna go very fast. We don't have very far to go, so.
This is how we hope the dinghy's gonna ride.
Yeah, that's how we hope it's gonna ride. That's right. And it did just start raining a little bit, but that's all right.
It's a dinghy, it'll get
It's a dinghy. It's gonna get wet. All right, dinghy's in the water. Dad's holding me on, and I gotta remember how to get the motor down.
That's good to know. You're just gonna bring it in behind the boat, aren't you?
Yep. All right, give it some primer. Motor is armed. Put my safety bracelet on.
Over there.
Ah!
You got water flowing out? Good.
All right.
You ready?
Forward gear.
Alright. I had a feeling it was gonna happen. Just because.
Oh, the choke was still on. All right, back me up just in case. Here, we'll go in reverse.
You gotta take away back or something.
Okay, forward.
Good to go.
Very, very sensitive to throttle. And this is the first time I've ever driven a dinghy, so never used a tiller before. So I'm gonna go out here past the boat and just see how this thing works, because there's the boat. So let's go out here a little bit. Not really liking how this is performing. When I really give it some gas, it just buries the stern. I'm not really sure why it's doing that. Maybe just because there's so much weight in the back with me and the motor, and there's hardly anything up front. Huh. I mean, it runs great, but I'm not really liking how it performs when you start to open it up a little bit. Yeah, just right in back here. Huh?
Howdy.
Yeah, go over that. So, I'm not happy.
Why?
It as soon as you give it some power, the stern just buries.
It what?
The bow rises and the stern just.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well,
I don't know.
Can you adjust the trim on that?
Yeah, you can't. I don't know if you can. There might be one more position down.
That would help.
I could try, but.
Are you going to tie it up to the boat or to the dock?
Let's
To the boat.
tie it to the boat. Yeah, because that'll keep it from rubbing off of this.
Yeah, and if it rubs, rubbing this platform is at the right level, it's not going to hurt anything.
Yeah. All right. Well, I got some thinking to do about this. Okay, I just figured out the problem. I didn't realize that the trim pin was all the way at the back. I had it set that way, I think, because of the angle of my mount that I built for this at home. Needed it to be at that position for the motor to sit in the bucket of water level. So all I need to do is pull the trim pin and move it all the way forward, and that should take care of that problem. So I'll go out and run it again a little bit later, but that should fix it. Okay, well, dinghy move is done, successful. We got the trim set all the way down, and I'll test it before I end this video, but fits perfectly behind the thirsty whale, and we got to tie it off. Okay, back out on the dinghy. Dad's with me this time, so got a little bit of well, we got twice the weight we had yesterday, so and I also have the motor trimmed properly. I think it's properly trimmed anyway, so we'll see how it does. And it's really touchy, so
Hold on.
and I got to remember which way to turn. Yesterday all right. Okay. Pressure light, and not very fast, but that's all right. It'll do what we need it to do. Well, it's gonna try to use the momentum to get around the corner, but that's all right. All right, so I'm happy with that. I might try one more different trim position, but I mean, for now, it's totally fine. So that worked great. And yeah, again, motor ran great, so happy with that. Thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Boater channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button and like button. Send me some comments if you want to. And if you want to be notified when I post new videos like this one, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time on the Wisco Boater channel. Happy boating, everybody.